Okay, friends, for this activity, we're going to need a piece of paper. Lined paper will work, but white paper is best. And some scissors, some crayons, and a pencil. And to start off, we're going to do the same thing as last week. We're going to fold our paper hot dog style and open it back up. And then we're going to take some scissors and we're going to cut right up the middle. Last week we made thinner strips, but I found that the thicker ones allow for more illustrations, for more drawings, which I like. So of these two, I'm going to put this one off to the side. And we're going to start with this one. We're going to take the top and the bottom of this paper, we're going to bring it together and fold it in half and open it back up. So now you should have a line across the middle. It also looks like a giant bird beak. Back. And then I'm going to start with a pencil because I need to be able to fix my mistakes with the eraser. And I'd like for you to please follow along. We're going to draw right here in the middle, not above and not below, but right in the center. I'm going to draw a square. And then we're going to put triangle on top. What are we making? And then a rectangle. And then a square with some little squares inside. Then I'm going to draw a line to the side, and a line to the other side. And then I'm going to draw a sun. I can't put the sun up here because the pencil's going to get in the way when we do the sliding part, right? So I'm going to put the sun a little closer to the house, right about here. Then I'm going to take this top page, I'm going to fold it over. And do you remember how we trace a little and then change a little? I'm going to trace the house. So I'm going to do that same square looking through the top paper so I can see to the bottom. Tracing those lines exactly the way they were the first time. You can check to make sure they line up. So far, so good. I'm going to continue tracing. Sometimes I put dots because it's kind of hard to see, and the dots make it easier to make the shape. I'm just connecting the dots. Ooh, I think my window's off a little bit. Yep. Good thing I use an eraser. Okay, so we trace a little, and now we change a little. Instead of the sun, this time I'm going to put over on the other side what's that? A moon. Not the best moon, but it'll work. And then up here, I'm going to draw some stars. You can do circle stars if you like, or you can do this fancy version. You can put in as many stars as you like. I like to put different size stars. Is it because they're bigger or is it because they're closer? It's an interesting question. Now we get to color. We're doing a color animation this time. So the grass is green and the sun is yellow and this, I chose red like a barn. Notice I left the window uncolored and the sky is blue. The night side was tricky. I was careful to color around the moon and the stars first so as to not accidentally color over them. And then the rest I just filled in. And I notice that when I color and I leave some white space outside the stars, they're definitely easier to see than when I color right on the lines. So I recommend making them further out like this. And I'm gonna take pencil again and roll it up. Daytime, nighttime. What's the light source there? The sun. And the light source there? Ooh, the moon and the stars and the house.